Hello everyone. As we already know, INECT exam results had been declared, and we all undergraduates are always keen to know the strategy and of the toppers and how did they manage to get such good ranks. Today we have Dr. Neha Pandey ma'am with us. She will share her experiences and how did she manage to get such good ranks. Hello ma'am.
Thank you so much, Dr. Himanshu, and being doctor for giving me this opportunity to connect to the medicos.
It's all my pleasure ma'am. Okay, then let's start first with the introduction part.
I am Dr. Neha Pandey, currently working as an intern in Institute of Medical Sciences BHU. I secured rank 39 in this INI CET.
So ma'am, when did you start preparing for PG exams?
I became really keen towards PG entrance examination in my internship, but I would like to say that in my first year I knew that there is going to be an entrance examination. So I followed my college academics. The teachers at IMS do make a point that students understand the concept from the first year to the final year, and also I joined DAMS in pre-foundation. So in internship, I was prepared and I consolidated it with doing more MCQs and revising my notes.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, college academics really matters in our PG preparation. So, what were your strategy and what things you followed for your PG preparation?
Well, the strategy is simple. It is to build concepts. From the first year in the DH to the clinical posting and final year, you will be learning things, and based upon that, you will be able to solve a major chunk of the MCQs. For my notes, I relied heavily on DAMS. For QBank, I really loved Marrow app. You can solve it while you're waiting for a report or even in your lunch break in internship. Also, for strategies, I would follow words of Sumer sir, Deepti ma'am, GRG sir, and Deepak sir.
Yes, ma'am. Beside college academics, these coachings do play very important role in our PG preparation. But how did you manage your time during classes and postings?
For classes, I attended all of them, be it my college or coaching classes, dance classes. Then after coming back from classes, I would revise, just flip through those notes that I've taken down. Clinical posting, they form a major part of our curriculum, and it's very important to have skills to learn how to interact with patients, to know how to take good history, and then to learn clinical examination from seniors. In internship, it is a difficult time because we have to work in the hospital. There is a pressure, especially in this COVID time, and also there is added pressure of PG entrance examination. But to skip posting is not recommended. You should have a knowledge of basic skills in the medical field. Just rote learning MCQs will not help you in the long run.
Obviously, ma'am. I do agree clinicals are very important in our studies. But how did you keep yourself so motivated during college classes and so hectic schedule?
You will be meeting different patients. You will be doing something new every single day. And also, I was blessed to have a great set of friends who kept me energetic. They are very fun and loving. I also love to watch movies. I follow a handful of YouTubers, and the memes from being doctor always crack me up.
Yes, ma'am. A good company is really needed during college academics, the college life, and following being doctor page can also boost up and make the coach stress free. And so, any message for juniors who is preparing for their PG examinations?
For juniors, I would like to say that this is just an exam. Don't stress too much about it. You have come so far, and there are a lot of different paths to go about it. You will make your own path eventually. The most important thing here is to take care of yourself. Your physical and mental health is the most important thing. So, good luck for your future. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am, for joining us. Wishing you a great and a bright future.